In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 1 single crochet or increase 1 single crochet twice. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet or increase and 1 single crochet as one set. Work 1 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. We work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet as one set. Keep working 1 more set. Two sets are done. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Okay. Round 6 is done. In round 7, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 8 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 7 more single crochets. Eight single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 7 is done. In round 8, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 3 single crochets or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Work 3 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Please finish 1 more set by yourself. Two sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 8 is done. In round 9, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 10 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 10 single crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue to work the rest of 9 single crochets in the same way. We have demonstrated 4 single crochets here. Please finish the rest 6 single crochets by yourself. Ten single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 9 is done. In round 10, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as one set. Work 2 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 increase. Namely, we work 2 single crochets in one stitch. Work 2 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as one set. Please finish 1 more set by yourself. Two sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 10 is done.